Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Music Development. Today, we're looking at playing our first scale on the instrument. Take a look at this music here. This is the C major scale. It contains all the letters of the musical alphabet, starting on C. If you played this scale on the piano, it would use only the white keys and none of the black keys. Here it is with tab as well. First, we're going to play the scale upwards, just as it's written here, and then immediately in reverse. Make sure you match your finger to the fret, so start with your third finger on the third fret, and then when you get to the E, put your second finger on the second fret, and so on. You don't need to repeat the top note when you come back down, and, if you want, pause the video here and get used to playing the notes, and then try and play it along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you can play that comfortably, we're going to try playing it whilst looking at only the notation, and I want you to say the names of the notes out loud as you do that. Try to keep looking at the music and not at your hands as much as possible. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll try the same thing with the A minor scale. A minor is the relative minor to C major. We call it that because, like C major, it also has all the letters of the musical alphabet and is also just like playing only the white keys on a piano. Only this time, we're starting and ending on A instead of C, and that creates a different sound, a minor sound. Remember to match your fingers to the frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as before, try to keep looking at the notes and say their names as you play them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're learning how to play these scales, but we also want to learn where the notes are on the guitar. That's all for now. See you in the next video.